maybe stay all in one frame while I work on this. If this gimbal hangs out. When you're on the track, you go up a big old fuse. I have to shoot. I have to cut this part of this live out. I love Bay-Bell cheese. Because I love Bay-Bell cheese. It's the best cheese you can buy at Walmart. And I haven't even tried all the flavors. I really love to try all the flavors. I wasn't super prepared for this live because Marketplace. I had to go do something on Marketplace today. But let me know in the comments what some of your projects are. What we want to know on Working Wednesday. What your projects are. It is hard to kind of film. The gimbal thing doesn't really help. Got this gimbal on a little cart. Scoot you over here. Get you in here. I'm gonna be all up in there. I need to get my bucket. I'm 5'9". You gotta do what you gotta do. Get down in there. I got my mirror and my training mounted together earlier today. And then bus 30 came. I had to get out of here. Just barely made it in time. That's okay. It means you're not late. I'm gonna do the wire